a picture of us playing when the sun comes back out.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Alyssa wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
When it rains, we build a cubby house from blankets and the couch. Sit by the window and look outside.
What is the meaning of rain? Rainwater helps farmers to grow plants. Rainwater is less and bigger. Rain is the mist of the sun. Rain cools the atmosphere. So we want night.
Rain, go away, come again another day. Rachel wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
When it rains, we have a party with all our toys as guests. Set them up and serve them cups of tea. These little cakes are the best.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Will wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
When it rains, we splash in the puddles on the ground.